I'm out here in the garden taking in some deep breaths, fresh air, therapeutic out here, taking some time away from painting and other work. And oh, look, the hummingbird. Do you hear the birds chirping? Do you see that lovely hummingbird here? Look. Yes, it's a nice day and it's very quiet out here and a little bit windy, but it is therapeutic. Ah, this feels so good. Oh my goodness. hmm I could hear the birds chirping. Hear that? So how are you doing today? Everybody having a good day? Remember to stay safe out there, okay? Now I'm just gonna stay here, continue to take in some fresh air. I do that every day, by the way. I come out in the garden. It depends, different times of the day. Sometimes at noon, sometimes in the morning or late afternoon. You just need to get out in nature. You need to, especially these days. You just need to come outside, get outside, get away from the computer, the phone, everything. Just shut down just for a moment, okay? So, anyway, bye for now. Have a good day. Until next time. My mom in the garden, so I may as well say goodbye now.